Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my
I just landed in Denver 2 hours ago for business, and I'm already on top, or I'm climbing up a glacier within 2 hours, an hour from the airport. So I need to get up on top of this glacier before it gets dark and get back down to my car. We'll see what happens. I literally just sunk down to almost my waist. Just took a wrong step. Holy mackerel. This is crazy. I want to see how far I can get, but then I'm going to turn around. Uh-oh. No, this is too dangerous. This is crazy. Oh my God. Nope, not happening. Not gonna happen. Let's see if I can backtrack out of here. This is crazy. Oh my God. I'm trying it again. Check out this view. I hope I got something on there.